We say that the Aleph and the Ayin are silent letters in Hebrew. They don't make a sound. And that's kind of true. They don't make a sound, but you can hear them. Now, how do you hear them if they don't make a sound? Well, you notice them by their absence, okay? So the sound that these letters make is what's referred to as a glottal stop. There's a part of your throat that's called the glottis, and the glottis opens and closes to allow and prevent air from coming through. So, what the ayin and the aleph represent is either a burst or a closing of the glottis. And we do this in English. We don't have a letter for that, but you can hear the glottal stop when you say uh-oh, uh-oh. The pause between and o. So you can actually hear it when you just say uh. And actually the glottal stop in a lot of, and I'll just speak as a Midwesterner, a lot of Midwesterners, when a word ends with a T, for example, the word robot. When I say robot, I don't actually say robot. I usually say something like robot, 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 robot. I don't really do the T sound, robot. I do robot, and I have a glottal stop there. Okay? And that's just weird. I don't know why Midwesterners would say it that way, but that pause that you hear, that's your glottis closing the airway to prevent air from coming through. And so that's actually what the ayin and the aleph are marking, is that glottal stop. So you can hear it when you say uh-oh, because it's that pause, it's that break. That's the glottal stop. So instead of just thinking of this as aim, it's actually aim. Like, in order to get that A out there, you have to burst through your glottis. And that's what the aleph and ayin represent. You can see this in the Hebrew pronunciation of the word for Israel. Yisrael, Yisrael. There's a pause there. And so when you have that pause, Yisrael, that's that glottal stop. Okay, so enough about glottal stops, but that's it, because a lot of people are like, if they're silent, then why even have them? Why do we have these letters? They do represent something. It's just that we don't think of that thing that they represent as a sound.